Okay, here we have it. I think I'm gonna keep this setup because I kind of like it, to be honest with you. It's worked out quite well, so I'm quite happy with it. So it all works. So we got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, push down, reverse. Woohoo! Yay! I'll show you the back end now, and I'll go back through the gears again. Right there. Let's give it a go. Right, so we got first, neutral, second, neutral, third, neutral, fourth, neutral, fifth, neutral, reverse, reverse. Ah, there we are. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Okay, let's go through it. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, down, reverse, and then pushing forward, push it forward, and it pops. Dirty! So yeah, what do you think? It's not too bad, is it? It looks a nice packer job. I'm quite pleased with that. I was gonna scrap it all and buy all new stuff, but I think I'll keep it now. I think I'll keep it because it's quite tidy. Snagged. I'm snagged. I'm snagged. So I hope you guys like that. I'm quite pleased with myself. Well, it's now 9 o'clock at night, and I haven't stopped. I didn't want a video camera or my destruction, but brace yourselves. I know, and I'm been trying to take this whole wiring out here in one piece, labeling bits I've been taking apart, so it just makes it easier to put it into the Lambo, and then trying to figure out which bit I need of this loom and which bit I don't, because really I only want a bit that makes the engine run. All the rest of it and chuck, because I got a custom lead, custom wiring harness for all the lights and everything that I can integrate into this lot. So yeah, so that's where I am. And nearly there, just pulling this out through here, and I think I got one more plug and then it's out. And then I can wash up and relax in front of the TV. So I'll probably catch you in the morning. Right, well, I've managed to get all the wiring out in one go, all labelled, nothing broke, and she is bare, man. There is nothing in there. I'm knackered now. Alright, to go along with all that cabling we just brought out, this is that custom loom I had made. It's even got my name on it, and on the build. Tidy. And this is off Richard, top man. Go bought this off eBay, and he cut this extra bit for me. This is the reactor relay, make the lights go up and down. So fair play to you, thank you very much for that. Yeah, this is a tidy kit really. I got all that paperwork all that cabling to try and sort out now, and see what's what, because I got everything here plus all that other cabling, and try and make make it all work. So but we're not quite that far ahead on the wiring. Just trying to get all fabrication work done first, and then obviously go through the wiring, and then obviously take it all back out, clean it all up, put it all back together, and that's for the future. So yeah, tidy.